Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another HOMOST gel polish review for you guys, and this set is a glitter set, so I'm very excited to see what these have and what the pigmentation is on these. Overall, I know they're always more translucent than others, but I am so excited to try these out. I've been loving all these kits lately, so that's why you guys see them a lot, and this is what they come with. Of course, it's a 6-piece with 8 mils each. They have the black packaging, which is what I love, and then these have a little color swatch on the very top so that you know what color it is. And here you're gonna see me swatching them out one by one. And these I just put one coat on each, and look at that shine. I love it. You guys can do up to 3 coats, it's up to you. It all depends on how much glitter you want on your nail, and of course they can go over just your natural nail, or you can do it on top of a color, which is what I prefer to do. And this silver, you guys, the camera does no justice to it. It's absolutely beautiful in person, but you know, our cameras doesn't show exactly how it is. But anyways, here are the swatches, and I'm really happy with the colors overall. They do have like the blue, the green, just your basic colors. And then this one is a gold. I thought it was gonna be like a yellow, but it's gold, so you get the silver and the gold. And then like I said, these are all UV and LED curable. They're so off, they're great, they're inexpensive. You guys, I'll leave the link down below in the description box, or you guys can just search it on Amazon. And the brand again is HOMOST. Overall, I definitely recommend these. They're small, but they can go a long way, you guys. Just with a little bit, you don't need much. I am very happy with these gel colors. There's absolutely no smell to this set at all. I know I got a set that it did, but not like a big noticeable smell. But these have no smell whatsoever. And here are all the swatches. I hope that you guys like this video. It's very short, but just wanted to share with you guys these beautiful colors, and if you're interested, check them out in the description. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.